Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Toyota Prius key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both old and new, to ensure they are all programmed together. It's also important to confirm your car's battery is fully charged for a smooth process. Begin with the driver's door open and unlocked, and ensure no key fob is in the ignition slot. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful reprogramming experience. To enter programming mode, begin by inserting a working key fob into the ignition slot and removing it twice, all within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. This sequence helps prepare the car's system. Then, insert the working key fob into the slot and remove it just once. These steps must be completed within 40 seconds of each other to proceed correctly. Now, to activate the add mode, close and open the driver's door 2 more times. Then, insert your working key fob into the ignition slot and close the driver's door. Without pressing the brake pedal, press the power button to turn the ignition on, then off, then on, then off, and finally on again for a total of 3 times. This specific sequence will put your Prius into the key fob add mode. Remove the working key fob from the slot. The car's doors should lock and unlock twice, confirming add mode. Now, take your new key fob, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 1.5 seconds. Immediately after, within 3 seconds, press only the lock button. The car will cycle its locks once for success. To exit programming, simply open and then close the driver's door.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.